You have learned in grade 6 that a ratio is a numerical relationship between two or more quantities expressed in similar units. I'll repeat again. You have learned in grade 6 that a ratio is a numerical relationship, okay? Relationship between numbers, two or more quantities expressed in similar units. Oh, okay. What it means? The definition looks little complex. Let's make it as the easier one. Ratio means a numerical relationship between two or more quantities with same units. Same units. That's the important thing. In Okay, when we are preparing a mixture of juice, okay, this is our can. In this can, we are going to prepare some juice for our sports meat. For that, we have cordial. Okay, we have our orange cordial 2 bottles. Okay, orange cordial 2 bottles. We can't drink orange cordial directly now. So here 1 liter, here another liter. Okay, I'm going to pour these 2 liters of orange cordial to this drum. Okay, now it is filled with orange cordial. Then after, what I can do is I have to dilute this because we can directly consume the orange cordial. That's why I am going to mix. Yeah, I have 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3 liters of water. 1 liter, 1 liter, and 1 liter. There are 3 liters of water with me. So I am going to pour this water to this drum. Okay, water to this drum. So that will become like this. Not look like this. Okay, that will mix with each other. For an example only, I used like this. Okay, don't think our juice cordial is in the bottom and water in top. Not likewise. Then after, I am going to mix. We can't drink juice cordial and with water. We need some sugar also. Okay, sugar liquid. Okay, liquid sugar. That means sugar is mixed with some water. Okay, mixed with some water, and we were prepared already. We were prepared liquid sugar. Liquid sugar. I'm going to pour this 1 liter of liquid sugar to the total rum. Now in the total drum, okay, this is our juice can. Okay, in the drum we have 3 quantities. 2 liters of juice cordial. Okay, we all write the names. This is our juice cordial, and the orange color one that represents water. And finally, in 1 liter, the pink color one that should be our sugar. Okay, this one is our sugar. We pour all the 3 quantities to the mixture, and by using a stir. Okay, by using a stir, that means you should mix. Okay, you can use a spoon or a object. Okay, or an object to mix it. You should mix it to get the mixture of juice. Okay, now my question is, what is the ratio of juice, cordial, water and sugar in the total mixture of this juice? Okay, try to understand my question. What is the ratio of juice, water, sugar in this total mixture? So to find that one, juice is to, okay, we are going to represent that in ratio. Juice is to water is to sugar. Juice is to water is to sugar. I am going to represent like this. Juice is to water is to sugar. What is the quantity of juice we were included? That is 2 liters. 2 liters. Water, that is 3 liters. Sugar, 1 liter. While you are representing your answer, okay, answer in easiest way, simplest way, that should be without unit. The unit should be same. Okay, if the unit should be same, that's how we can relate the ratio. Otherwise, just think about it. I have a grade 11 student. Okay, I have a grade 11 student over here. I have a grade 7 student over here. Okay, grade 7 student over here. I'll give grade 10 max paper to both. Grade 10 max paper to both. Can I compare both of them? A grade 11 student and a grade 7 student by using the same paper. I can't compare their levels because they are not in same unit now. If they both are in same grade, we can assign same paper to them and we can compare their marks. But other one is 11, one is 7. So we can't compare. That's the thing happening here also. We have liter measurement here, we have milliliter measurement here, we can't compare liter and milliliter. So while you are representing the quantities in ratio, that should be a uniform units. Uniform units means all the units should be same. If one is indicated in liters, all the other quantities also should be indicated by liters. Otherwise, we can't compare. That's why I explained you the grade 11 and 7 students. If both are in same unit, we can compare. Okay, 3 liter, 2 liter means, okay, what is the higher quantity in the mixture? Juice and sugar, those are juice 2 liters, sugar 1 liter. Okay, when I ask what is the higher quantity between juice and sugar, easily you can tell juice is the higher quantity because sugar only 1 liter, juice was used as 2 liters. So that's the thing what we need. While you are representing your quantities in ratios, the units should be same. If the units are not same, we have to use unit conversion to get our answer. I'll explain them while we are doing questions. I'll explain them. So our final ratio would be 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay. When you are finalizing your ratio, don't write the units. Don't write the units. If you are representing a particular value in ratio, that means all the units are same. Okay. In ratio, all the units should be same. Otherwise, we can't express it in ratio. So in ratio, no need to indicate your units. No need to indicate your units. That's the thing you should know. In ratio, units are same. Units are same because 2 liters, 3 liters, 1 liters. All the units are same now. So we can directly write that on in ratio 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, how to read this? 2 is to 3 is to 1. That's the thing you should do. To find equivalent ratio, the thing what do we need to do is, here I'll give you 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, there is a ratio 2 is to 3 is to 5. Okay, to find its equivalent ratio, you can select any numbers. Okay, for your wish, you can select any numbers. Here I'll multiply all the numbers by 2. So 2, this one also multiplied by 2. All the quantities multiplied by 2, that will give you 4 is to 6 is to 10. 4 is to 6 is to 10. Okay, this is one of the equivalent ratio for the given ratio. One of the equivalent ratio over given ratio. Not only by multiplying by 2. We can multiply this by 3 also. Okay, we can multiply by this 3 or 4. Here I'll multiply this by 4. All the numbers, all the values in the ratio should be multiplied by same numbers. That will give you the equivalent ratio. 5 times 4. So 2 4s are 8, 3 4s are 12, and 5 4s are 20. Okay, 20. That's the thing. Then when we can multiply this by 10. 2 into 10, 3 into 10, and 5 is to 10. 5 is to 10. You can multiply this by same numbers. Okay, all three should be multiplied by same numbers to obtain your equivalent ratio easily. It's very easy to find equivalent ratio in the case. Okay, for an example here, it's easy to multiply this by 2, 10 likewise. Okay, if I multiply this by 2, 14 is to 10 is to 16. Okay, you can directly multiply. Then if I multiply that by 10, 70 is to 50 is to 80. If I multiply that by 100, that will become 700 is to 500 is to 800. It's very easy. You can select any numbers. Okay, here for an example only, I use number 2 and number 10 multiplied by 10. Here I multiplied by 100. You can select any numbers for your convenience. For the next one, if it is possible, I told you we can divide this one also. Okay, we can divide it too. So you divide this by number 3. Okay, it's possible to divide all these numbers by 3. That's why I am dividing. So that will give you 2 is to 3 is to 4. If you are not familiar with the dividing, you can choose multiplying. That one also correct. Multiplied by 2, 12 is to 18 is to 24. Then third one is multiplied by 10 or multiplied by 5, anything. So 30 is to 45 is to 60. Likewise, we can multiply to obtain our answers.